Hello everyone and welcome to our AI review. In this video, we will be reviewing the pineapplebuilder.com. This is my first impression. We'll be trying it out, seeing if we can really build an AI website for businesses in seconds, like it said. So if this is something you're interested in, do not forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment. Let me know what other AI tools you would like me to try. So let's get started. Yes, so we'll click the try now for free. Is it no login or no credit card? So what are we looking for? Let's build a website for a restaurant. And then next, we're trying to build a community. We want to showcase product and get appointments. We like people to book in for meals and stuff. And we're also we're looking for inspiration and then finish. I guess we have to select a template that we like. What template would be good for a restaurant? I'm thinking this is okay, and then we're going to the page to pick our design. Okay, and then the palette styles. I'm thinking this is good. And then the background color, there's white, light, and then dark. I'm thinking light is good. And then for the color, let's see this color. Probably this. Yeah, this is much better. And then the text, I prefer Roboto text. And then we click on next. And then we have to try the AI copy assistant. So basic details from the website. So it's using GPT 5 3.5. So I'd like to design a Nigerian restaurant in Germany. And then the business is for everyone interested in Nigerian food. And then start generating. So I see it generating the website, generating the section. Oh, okay. So it's generating like every section. So this is our hero section, our headline, our subheading, our call to action button. It does an Unsplash search query for Nigerian food to get the image. Okay, and then the next section, it's generating the next section. Okay, what benefit of the business? Oh, and then the flavors of Nigerian in Germany. So it's getting the pictures, it's writing the headline, and then doing a search query for. Okay. Oh, that's nice. I see. And then I see we can. So I was asked to create an account, which I've done, and then you have to agree to their terms of services, and then you have to choose the company name. Let's say for me food. For me food. Or for me the light. Okay, we don't have an icon, so let's create. For me food. And then next. So it's creating the folder, the website. And there we have it, a website using the Pineapple Builder. The hero section, you see you can even add sections. You can change the image. You can change the text. Okay, the pages, the design, and if you need AI assistance. And I see that you can even publish the live page. So our website is live. Our website is live. I'll leave the link in the in the description so you can check it out. So what I would say is that it's great that it searches for pictures. You might have to like edit some of the pictures if the pictures that it gets from Unsplash is not what you actually want, and you can add more text because I asked for booking option and that it didn't provide that. So maybe you'd have to like write another query for if you want more pages, and then I'm sure it will add that to you. And just like that, we have a live website, Taste the Flavor of Nigeria in Germany. So I'm going to explore pineapplebuilder.com and create add pages to it and see if I can add like a contact form or a section for people to book reservations, make reservations for the restaurant. And I'll leave the link in the description. So that's it. That is pineapplebuilder.com. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you'll be trying any of these AI tools to build your website. And I'll see you next time. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Bye for now.